Super weather.
After a foggy morning here across North Texas, we are looking for sunshine to return as we are moving through the midday and afternoon. Temperatures, they'll be climbing into the mid-70s as we are moving through the day today. You'll see the clouds start to break by 10, 11 o'clock, and then into the afternoon, a mixture of sun and clouds with a high temperature around 76 degrees. So it'll be a nice, comfortable afternoon. Some locations up towards the Red River containing some added clouds through the day, and temps there into the upper 60s and low 70s. And you can see on Futurecast, we've got the clouds to start, but things will start to clear up as we get towards the mid-morning and midday time period, and then into the afternoon, a good deal of sunshine will be found. We do have a disturbance up across sections of Oklahoma that may still swing in a quick shower for some of our far northern counties, so areas like Bonham and Paris still could see a quick shower through the day today, but most locations just looking at sunshine returning for the afternoon. Sunset time tonight, 6:42. Temperatures in through the overnight, falling back into the upper 50s with partly cloudy skies. Now tomorrow's set to be a pretty warm day. We've got south winds giving our numbers a boost. We'll top out at 80 degrees for your Monday with sunshine through the afternoon time period. Then a cold front sweeps in on Tuesday. Temps are back into the low 70s, and then behind that front, the coolest air of the season is set to arrive. We're looking at high temperatures in the 60s, nighttime temperatures down into the 40s across the area. Some pretty strong winds we'll have to contend with as we move towards the midweek time period. We could be looking at gusts close to 30 and 35 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like as we move through the day on Tuesday as the front pushes into the area. It does bring in some added clouds. I think the Metroplex, though, will stay dry. It's areas to our east that could see a few scattered showers. The moisture levels are pretty meager, so we're not looking at a whole lot in the way of activity here. It's the wind and the temperature drop behind this front that I think will be much more noticeable as we move in towards the midweek time period. Rain so far this month, we've had a good dose the last couple of days, and that's brought our monthly total up over 4.5 inches. So we're doing good now. Certainly was a big different story just a couple of days ago. The rain chances as we move into the next 10 days going to be hard to come by, except for some of those eastern zones on Tuesday. Temperatures, I think, going to be the big story here as numbers are back into the 60s for the midweek. Sweater weather certainly in full swing. We're looking good on Friday for Halloween with sunshine.
Sign up for super weather.